How to disable macros in Excel. Hello everybody, if you are wondering how you can do that, you may follow the simple steps in order to do so. So first and foremost, you may just go ahead and open up your Excel document in which you would like to disable the macros. For example, this one right here. So go ahead and locate up a file in the top left corner, and once you go ahead and click on it, you may go ahead and look out for this more option from your left hand side and look for the options. Click on it. After you look over to the options, this opens up your options available. So from here, all you gotta do is look for the option, this one right here, Trust Center, and open it up. And from Trust Center, head over to Trust Center settings and open it up again. And then once you open up Trust Center settings, it will open up this here. So all you gotta do is look for option of macro settings, and after you open it up, look for this disable macro settings, any of the available. You can read, we have with notification and without notification. Look for the one you prefer. After that, just go ahead and click on OK and apply the changes, and your macro should be disabled in your Excel. So that is it for now. You may follow the same process in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.